Welcome to my YouTube channel, Learn Maths with Adorolo. It's another day again, another deep secret will be revealed again. Hidden secret in solving quadratic equation 1. We're going to be seeing quadratic equation 2 again. A quadratic equation is an expression in this format. Ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, and c are what? Numerals. And the highest power of the unknown, which is x here, is 2. It's neither negative nor what? Fractions. So at the end of the day, we are expected to have what? 2 answers. But this is the fastest method in solving questions, especially in what? In objective. Let's take the first question. The first question is solve b squared minus b minus 12 is equal to 0. Normally, the first thing you do, you take this pattern. This times this will give you minus 12b squared. You bring the 12 out. You look for the factor quickly. 1 and 12. 2 can go into 12 again, 6. 3 can go into 12, which is what? 4. You fast, you get the factor quickly. You look up inside this factor, which particular one, which one you add or subtract will give you this middle expression, which is minus 1 or minus b. And which one to multiply will give you this constant term. There's no how you use 12 that will give you minus 1. And there's no how you use 6 and 2 that will give you minus 1. So the correct factor is what? 3 and 4. So what you do quickly, you bring your 3 and 4. How will you deal with 3 and 4 to give you minus 1? It's for the big number to take negative and the small number to take positive. So bring minus 4 and plus what? 3. So quickly, very simple, you have arrived at the answer. What you do now, since here is minus, here is plus, you interchange the sign. That means our B final answer, instead of this minus, we take this place, which is minus 3, or our B, here is minus 4, plus we take this place, which is what? Plus 4, which is sent here as well. 4. That is your answer. Very simple. Within what? A seconds, you can get your answer. The next question is number 2. Quickly. Number 2 again. Very simple to handle. You pick the question, which is number 2, which is x squared minus 10 what? X plus what? 25 is equal to 0. For you to arrive at your factor quickly, as usual, the ring pattern of solving quadratic equation, you deal with this, that is x squared times plus 25. Will give you plus 25 what? X was squared. You bring the factor out. Very simple. 1 and 25. 5 can go into 25 again, what? 5. These are the factors of what? 25. So there's inside these two factors, only one. This one, there's no how you can use it to give you minus 10. This is one that will give you what? Minus 10. And for you to get minus 10, it needs to be minus 5, minus 5. You are owing somebody 5 naira, you are owing another person 5 naira. Total, you are owing 10 naira. So quickly, you arrive at your answer. Now we have minus 5, minus 5. The condition is that if the signs are the same, take the opposite of the sign. So quickly, our final answer becomes x is equal to what? Positive 5, or x is equal to what? 5. Since the answers are the same, your final and correct answer will be 5 twice, because the answers are the same. What you do, if the signs are different, you interchange the sign. That will give you the answer. But if the signs are the same, you what? You alternate the sign. The opposite of negative is what? Is positive. And that is our final answer. And the last question is this. Please ensure you subscribe to this channel, like this channel, share it so that you can help others. Within the seconds you get to answer is good for students going forward competition. That will tell you that solving a particular question is 10 seconds or 1 minute. You have this method with you, you are good to go. So the last question is this, quickly. We have 5 minus 5z plus 1, 6 is equal to 0. The same pattern you deal with this, that is z squared times plus 6, give you plus 1, 6z squared. You bring 6 out, you find the factor. Some good students already know the factor, so getting the answer will be very simple. 1 into 6 is 6. 2 into 6 is 3. You can use 3 again. 3 into 6 is also what? 2. and that condition is called what? Abelian or commutative. 2 times 3 is same thing as what? 3 times 2. Both of them will give you what? 6. So for you to get your answer, yes, these two, you can use them to get -5. But if you use minus plus 1 and -6 to give you -5, it cannot give you +6. So the correct factor is this one. That is -2 -3 will give us what? -5. So you just come here quickly to arrive at the answer. -2 and -3. The next thing is that you take opposite of the sign. So our z is equal to 2 or z is equal to what? 3. That is your answer. So within a seconds, you solve this question. Let's take our play questions. Ensure you interact with me on the comment section. Like this channel, comment on it, subscribe on it, ensure you share it with your fellow students and parents too that also want to help their children solve the following word equation. Number 1 is a squared plus what? 4a minus 27 is equal to 0. Number 2 is x squared minus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. Yes, -5. And the third one is this. Please solve it. Within a second, you solve it, and it's good for students going for external examination and students also are preparing for WAEC, so that you can beat up with what time. Time is of what? Essence. And that is why the essence of solving mathematics is for you to maximize time so that you can achieve your objective at the end of the day. Thank you. Like this channel, subscribe on it, share it. God bless you. Thank you very much.